So what's good, everybody? So we back with another video, and man, it's been a long process working on my doors, and in the middle of them, I changed up my theme of what size speakers I wanted to go. I was going 8s, but I decided to go 10s. But anyway, before I get into that, man, I'm telling you, I'm so proud of my doors. Like, this is a motivation speech right now. Never let somebody tell you that you can't do it, or never do something because somebody else tell you should do something their way. Do your bill based off how you want it and how you feel. I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong. I don't think my bill is the best, but I'm proud of doing it because I did it. And with everything being said, I'm about to show y'all my bill. Oh man, looking right. Yeah, I'm proud. Gotta put the other door panel on the other door, but I gotta cut out the holes again, and for 10 doors, for 10 size door speakers instead of 8s. Yeah, my 8s is for sale. I got 6 of them. So if you looking for somebody look for some 8s, I got 4 of them is 4 ohm and 2 of them is 8 ohm. Don't ask why they 4 ohm and 8 ohm. I won't paying attention when I would order them, so that's how they came. But yeah, my 10s, they gonna be straight 8 ohms. I'm running a 3000.1 Trump. Shout out to my boy Terrence for that information, telling me what I should do. Hey, telling you, when you got people behind you that give you good information and want to see you shine just like them and don't want to hate on you, bro, you keep them kind of people around. Yeah. Gotta recut out the hose a little bit bigger. On top of cut this out right here, so the speaker. I'm thinking I might not have to do too much to this for the 10 to go in there. I'm thinking I might just have to maybe just cut the hole a little bit bigger, but I might not have to cut the panel maybe. I might just have to trim this part down, sand this part down. But tweeter going there, 10 going there, 10 going here. Same on this. But anyway, the wrap that I'm using, man, it's crazy. I ain't gonna tell you what kind of wrap it is, just know it's official. It's official. Like, I'm telling you, the wrap that I'm choosing, like, my girl actually chose it and showed it to me. Like, when she showed it to me, like, it's been sticking with me for, even in my sleep, it's been sticking with me. Like, I know I gotta get that wrap. I'm telling you, man, like, it's been a long process, a long couple of nights. Yeah, I know I jumped off it for a little bit, jump on my other videos, then I'm back on it again. But man, I'm telling you, never let somebody tell you you can't do something, or tell you that, oh, they don't think that you're gonna be successful at doing something. I'm telling you, bro. A lot of people had told me and laughed at me because I told them I was gonna build my own doors. And you know what? I bet you when I pull them out, they gonna be surprised. And guess what? I did everything myself with no help, a little help here and there from different guys with information and advice. And I thank everybody that actually takes the time out to watch my videos and subscribe and like and comment. Like, I really do appreciate y'all, because y'all are the ones that's really pushing me to continue to do this. Like, I had so many people when I first started my YouTube channel, they didn't want to subscribe, they didn't even want to look at the videos. But you know what? I ain't gonna worry about them. I'm gonna keep coming. Hey, my videos gonna keep getting better. I ain't gonna stop. I'm gonna keep pushing myself for me, my family, my boys, my daughter. I mean, it's so much I got that I should just keep pushing for. So with that being said, thank everybody for watching my video. And hey, when the wrap come in, another video will be up. Hey.